In this video, I will show you how to join the Shein affiliate program. To do this, you want to go and download the Shein app on your phone and then go to the Me section in the bottom right of the screen. Now from there, you will see a section that says Share and Earn in the right of your screen. Go and click on that, and then from there you will need to sign into your account or create one if you don't have one yet. And from there it will take you right here where it says Share and Earn, so you can see extra 15% off for you and extra 10% off for your friend. So what you can do is now get your link right here, you can just copy it and share it with people, and if they make a purchase through the link, then you will get a bonus and your friend or the person that buys something will also get a discount. Now you can see in certain regions or at certain times the rewards can be different, so new affiliates can also earn a $5 reward as a welcome gift plus first referral gift, and then up to 20% commission per order by a new or existing user. So it kind of depends on the time that you're doing this, but anyone can join the affiliate program, and now you know how to do it. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.